Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the batteries now. This prevents shorting. Use a T8 or T9 security screwdriver to remove the 5 visible screws. Set them in order so reassembly is straightforward. Once done, pry the shell gently with a plastic pick at the seam to avoid marring plastic. Separate halves slowly, watching for ribbon cables. Make sure to work on a non-static surface and keep the rubber pads and screws grouped, because precision matters when you reassemble. You next expose the home button assembly and inspect visually for debris, a torn membrane, or a dislodged spring. Use 90% isopropyl on a swab to remove grime from contact pads and the conductive disc. You want a thin, even pass to avoid residue. If the spring is misaligned, reposition it with tweezers so it sits centered under the button cap. For loose solder joints, you may need a fine soldering iron. Reflow quickly and sparingly to restore contact. You now reattach any ribbon cables and reverse the disassembly steps. Align the shell clips and press gently until they click, then reinstall the 5 screws in their original positions. Once reassembled, insert batteries and power on, navigate to the controller settings, and test the home button repeatedly to confirm tactile click and electrical response. If the problem persists, consider swapping the home button PCB or seeking a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.